Is it still worth selling those $997, $1,500, and $2,000 courses that were everywhere just a few years ago? Some people are saying that market is absolutely dead. Some are saying it's thriving and it's never been better. And the truth is, it's somewhere in the middle. My goal for you in this video is, if you've been stuck like one of my email subscribers in, hey, I've created a course and I haven't sold anything, to having a clear path to your next 100K in digital product sales. That is where I want you to steer the ship by the end of this video. So do me a huge favor so I know where you're at. Comment the price point of your course in the description. Hey, are you selling it for $2,000? Let me know in the comments so I know exactly where you are and can give you specific advice. All right, so let me define the terms really quick, because digital product and digital course get thrown out there like nobody's business all the time. So digital product is simply anything you can sell to somebody and fulfill digitally, where there's no, brick and mortar human interaction. And digital course is a product that's delivered that involves some type of tutorial instruction via video. Okay. So typically in this world of online business, if you're a coach, creator, expert, I interchange the two a lot and lean towards course, because since you're an expert growing your online business, almost 98% of the time, you're going to have some type of tutorial involved when you send the thing. Now, back in the 2010s, specifically like 2015, 2020, selling a digital course / program was like a gold mine in the gold rush days. You could sell those things super easily through an automated sales webinar where somebody opted in to register for free, and then they started watching and got access to a pre-recorded webinar that had a pitch that looked like, okay, they're presenting the topic, they're diving into that creator story of their pain points, how they overcame the thing, and then they talk about the frameworks for how to solve the thing. Then at the end of the webinar, about an hour or 45 minutes into it, there was a pitch to buy their course / program. And typically this course included tons of modules, anywhere from 6 to 10 hours of learnings, plus access to a community that may or may not have involved group coaching, but typically there was some aspect of support involved, right? Back then, Facebook groups were very, very popular and still kind of used, but now communities have moved to third-party community platforms like School, Circle, and for those of you, for example, using Go High Level, has its own membership / community feature. Now, many consumers are kind of over that model and know that when somebody says register for my webinar or my free training, it's like, okay, I'm not going to sit through a pre-recorded video that I cannot press pause on and buy something at the end of it. Like, people already know, no matter what niche and industry, that that's a thing, and they're kind of over it. Historically, back in those days, a webinar like that would convert anywhere between 7 to 10% on autopilot. Nowadays, you're lucky if you can get something like that to convert between 1 to 3%. Now, one of the main things that has shifted for selling digital products and courses in the 2020s is doubling down on low ticket offers. So those offers that are pocket sized, that are less than $100, and that have so much value presented to the person that makes it very clear that they will get a quick win within the next 30 minutes to a couple of hours or over the weekend. Those are super hot. Those low ticket offers that promise one thing and has messaging that commands a newbie that doesn't even know your world to check out the messaging on this sales page and be like, oh, that is me. I know exactly what this person is selling. I need to pause what I'm doing, pull out my credit card and buy this thing. No matter the increase in interest rates to buy a home, no matter the skyrocketing increases right now in prices per gallon, low ticket always thrives. No matter the state of the economy, consumers will not think twice about purchasing this product because $27, $47, even $77, $97 is not going to hurt the bank. Now, creating these low ticket digital product offers has never been easier. However, sales psychology and structure and messaging of what goes on the thing is of the utmost importance now. By the way, if you're excited about this concept, I created something for you called the AI Product to Profit Builder. It's a fast, hands-on training that helps you take what you already know, turn it into a ready-to-profit $27 to $97 digital product, 95% done by AI. I've been working on this for over 8 months, and honestly, it's the most compressed version of everything I've learned over the past 7 years of selling digital products. Inside, I walk you through how to use AI to pull the right product idea out of your expertise, structure it into a simple paid offer, write the sales page, and get it ready to sell without spending months wasting time doing it by hand and building some giant thing from scratch. My goal for you is simple: to help you create a low-ticket digital product that could become your next 4 to 5 figure per month revenue arm in your business. So here's what I want you to do. Text me. If you're watching on your phone, text me right now using the first link in the description. If you're watching on desktop or TV, scan the QR code you see on the screen. It'll prompt you to send me a text, and as soon as you do, I will send you the link to the AI Product to Profit Builder, plus a sweet discount code to make it even cheaper. So step 1, text me. I will send you the link. You can pop in the discount code at checkout, and I will see you on the inside. Now, the good news for you in regards to incorporating a low ticket offer versus a $997 or $2,000, whichever mid-ticket price point you're offering, you no longer have to make these super bloated courses that are 10 hours long, where you have to film days and days recording the content, putting together the presentation, the templates, the this, the that. Because honestly, and I know this from my own data, the customers or the clients that you get that purchase this thing will not go through the whole thing. Okay, this comes from experience of me being a consumer of these types of programs and also selling them, because we were able to view the progress of people, right, on the back end going through these products, and most people didn't make it through the 30% mark. Whereas when I launched my first digital low ticket offer in 2021, that dramatically changed. I saw people consume 100% of the thing just within hours after buying. It was beautiful because I knew they got the message of what I was trying to teach them very quickly, and they were able to start implementing and taking action as soon as they were done with that course. And that's exactly the whole point. People are buying for transformation. So many people are just kind of rolling their eyes at all the automated AI jargon that's out there right now. They want and crave a quick win in transformation that you can give them within your niche, whether that's helping postpartum moms, whether that's real estate. Maybe you're helping other real estate agents generate leads. Maybe you are a marriage or divorce coach and you're helping a couple stop the constant cycle of arguments every single night. Maybe you're in dog training. Maybe you're in the yoga and meditation niche. Whatever it is, you can pull out that one thing that people need today, right now, that'll change the game for them. And once they consume the thing within hours, it'll have them screaming to work with you at a higher level, for them to opt in or purchase your mid-ticket offer and even your high-ticket offer that is $5 and $10 grand. And here's the thing with low ticket, you don't just have to have one low ticket. In fact, I encourage you to create several low ticket offers. My goal this year is to create at least 15 of them, because once somebody purchases a $47 offer and they're like, this is so fire, the next time you email your buyer list and be like, hey, I have this other thing that I'm selling, right? Another $27, $77 one. 60 to 70% of your current buyers are more likely to buy from you again than somebody who opts into a free lead magnet, which the chances of that are only around 5%. So this is a huge opportunity to do back-end marketing. So not only to sell other low ticket offers to them and capitalize on that profit, but also leverage these offers as mini sales calls and get them interested in the higher ticket thing that you are offering. And this is exactly how you sell more of your $997, maybe more hands-on coaching, or your membership, or your 2K thing, even your 10K thing. Okay, so let's talk about this. We're going to break this down even further. Can't wait to dive way more into this topic. And people are raving about this video coming up next, all about your 6-month plan to generating your next 100K in digital offers, digital products, and courses. Check it out. That video comes up right here, right now. I'll see you there.